Good morning friend, welcome back to Information Technology Advanced JavaScript. In this lectures you are going to learn array. What is array? An array is a special variable which can hold more than one value at a time. An array is a special variable which can hold more than one value at a time. JavaScript arrays are used to store multiple values in a single variable. It is used to store multiple value in a single variable. If you have a list of item, a list of car name for example, to store the car in a single variable could look like this. Variable car1 equal car name, means any car name, for example Seb. Var car2 equal Volvo, Var car3 equal BMW. These are the three different variable we are going to store separately. Means if you have a list of item and a list of car name, for example storing the car in a single variable could look like this, separately, but by using a variable you can store all this value in one variable. However, what if you want to look through the cars and find a specific one, and what if you had not 3 car but 300? If you had not a 3 car but 300, then the solution is an array. Because an array can hold many values under a single name, and you can access the values by referring to an index number. Now creating an array. How you can create array? Using an array literal is the easiest way to create a JavaScript array. To create array, the syntax is very important. Whenever you are learning anything, that's it has a syntax. For example, any formula having the syntax or the grammar. So now here the syntax of declaring the array is a variable. First var keyword we are going to use after the name of the array, and equal sign. In after that, in the square bracket you are going to specify the item name, item 1, item 2, and so on. For example, you want to store the car names under the one variable car, then variable var array name is cars, and then the name of the each car in double inverted code. You are going to keep the space and comma between the each name of a car. For example, here 3 different car name is given, and then you can complete the square bracket. So this way you can store multiple name or the item under the one variable. So now let's say the space and line breaks are not important. A declaration can span multiple lines. Now you can declare like this also, means var cars equal square bracket, then press enter key, write in double inverted code name of the car, then put a comma, again press enter key, in the second line next name of the car, and the third line next name of the car, and then complete the square bracket, then complete the statement, that is called semicolon. So this way you can write multiple line, also you can write the item names in the while declaring the array. Okay, so let's see what are the properties and description and the method and description. In that, first property is index property, and this property represent the zero base index of the match in the string. This property represent the zero base index of the match in the string. Means in the car list, the first car name will be the 0, the second car name will be the number 1, and the third car name will be the second. So like this indexing will be taken in the array. So next is the length. It reflects the number of element in a array. Okay, so next, method and description. There are different type of methods are there. All this method and property we are going to see in JavaScript program. We are going to write the program for each properties and the method. Separately I'm going to show this each property and method, so you will understand. Writing together you will not going to understand. So first method is the concatenate. It is short form is concat is given. This function is used to join two or more array and return a copy of the joined array. Means it will merge these two or more arrays will be merged in a single array, and it will display the copy of joined arrays. That is the use of the concatenate functions. So more than two things will be merged together, and it will be displayed in one single join array. Next one is the copy within. The copies array elements within the array to and from specify positions. Means it is used to copy the array from the list. But here you are going to give the target and the end as well as the start number. The target number you are given, start number is given, and the end number is given. From there from the list the array will be copied. For example, and the fruits names orange, mango and pineapples, like these three names you are given, and in this you are going to copy the three name again. Then you have to give the starting means target number, end number, start number and target number. End is by default. Okay, so then that array will be copied. Next, index of. It is used to search the array for an element and return its position. It searches the array for an elements and return its position. For example, in the fruit list, the first one is mango, second one is orange, and third one is the apple. And this apple item you are going to find out its position, what number it is. Then we can use the index of function. The index of function will return the positions of that particular element from the array. Next is array. It checks whether an object is an array. Means what you specify the list in that is array or something else. So you want to find that, you can use the isArray function. It will display the result in true or false. If it is found the array, then it will display the true, otherwise it will display the false. Next, pop means pop function. It removes the last element of an array. It removes the last element of an array and return that elements. Means from the array list the last element will be written. For example, in the fruit list there will be three name of the fruits, mango, orange and pineapple. The last array elements will be written, that is a pineapple. Next, push. This method is used to add new element to the end of an array and return the new length. It is used to add new element to the end of an array and return the new length. By using this we can add a new element in the array list, and you will find the new length of a array. So these are the different properties and the method. So let's see one by one. First we are going to see the index property, then the length property, then concatenate method, then copy within, index of, pop-up and push. Okay, so that you are going to start notepad or the any text editor which is present in your computer and start writing the JavaScript program. While writing the JavaScript program, the basic stack will remain same. For example, exclamation, doc type HTML and body. In the body section you are going to give the heading to your web page, what you are going to learn. Today we are going to learn the array methods, so JavaScript array methods. Okay, so that you are going to give the heading, and the array elements are accessed using their index number, and the array index start with 0. As I told you, the 0 is the first array element, 1 is the second, and the second is the third. So while going to find out this position in the array, that elements, then you have to keep in mind that the array index start with the 0 is the first array, in the element 1 is the second, and the second is the third element in the list. So next, script tag we are going to use. In the script tag we are going to declare the variable variable, when we are declaring in JavaScript, we use the var keyword. Then the name of the array is given cars. Now after that equal sign, then in the square bracket we are going to write each item name. Here we are going to write the name of the car. So first name of the car I have written Saab, second car name I have written Volvo, and the third car name I have written BMW. So these are the three different car names called as the item list, and the car is the array name, and the variable we use, that is var. So by using the variable var keyword, we have declared the cars array and the atom of the this element in the array. Okay, so document dot write, this property we use to print something on the web page, and now we are going to print the cars list on the web page. That's why the original elements I have here put, and then the cars name will be display. In this we are going to add this element, that is the this one, name of the car is Bugatti. Here Bugatti name is given of the car, and the car name is given 0. So let's see where this element is present in the car. So the document dot write array elements and the car, and then script tag you have to complete, then the body tag, and then the HTML tag. Okay, so here we are going to find out this name of the car. So the index number, index start with the 0, it is the first array element, 1 is the second, and the second is the third. Save this program, open in browser, and check the output. So once you found in this, see the array elements are accessed using their index number. Array number start with the 0. 0 is the first array element, and 1 is the second, and second is the third. Now I have given the array to the this Bugatti car names, okay, and that is the first one, the 0. So that's why the output is displayed over here. That is the first one is taken here, and then the Volvo, then BMW. Okay, so this is the list is generated by using the array index. It start with 0, then the second is first, and then the second will be the third. So next we are going to see, that is the length. So length element or the method or the property is used to replace the number of element in array. Okay, the length property provide an easy way to append new element to an array without using the push method. Now push method also is going to add the new element with the existing array. Okay, it almost same, but instead of using that push method, we can use the length property, and it is easy way to append new elements to an array without using the push method. So in the script tag you are going to use the variable. Here I use the variable fruit variable, then the fruits array name, and the list of the fruits in the square bracket is given. Now document dot write original element will get, we are going to print this because you are not, otherwise you are not going to understand. And then what the new element is added, and what we are going to add in the new element, that is apple, mango, orange, and then the new element we are going to add, that is kiwi. Okay, this fruit you are going to add with the existing array list. So here fruit, then fruits dot length equal kiwi, and this item should add within the existing array list. Okay, so we are going to print document dot write, then the length elements are fruits, and you will find apple, mango, orange, and the kiwi together. So this will be new item will be added with the existing array. Save this program and open in the browser and check it whether it is added or no. See here the new item is added, that is a kiwi, new fruit. The first one apple was there, mango was there, orange. That's why I have printed your original list, and the length elements I have printed with the apple, mango, orange, and kiwi. The kiwi fruit is added by using the length property provides. Okay, it is a new way to append a new element to an array without using the push method. Next, we are going to use that is concatenate. Okay, in short form concat. So this function is used to join more than one array together. The concatenate method is used to merge. Concatenate method is used to merge the array. Okay, so here require more than one list to merge. So that's why variable here I am taken the name of the array girls and the boys and the children, like this three uh, variable I have taken. The first variable name of the girls, second variable name of the boys is taken here. So first list is the girl list and the second list is the boys list. Okay, the girls name and the boys name list, two different variable I use, and now I'm going to merge with the children. Okay, the girls and boys, and then I'm going to merge with the children. So this list I'm going to merge with the girls list is I'm going to merge with the boys list. That's why variable children equal girls dot this function I use concatenate. Concatenate, look here, concatenate function I'm going to use with the this girl dot concatenate, and what I'm going to merge with the girl list boys list. So here boys is taken variable, so girls dot concatenate boys, and then you want to see this result on the web page, then document dot write, this property you are going to use, and what you have done now you are going to merge. So that's why I have written here merge element, where I am merging which variable, in the children variable. So children variable you will get a result of these two array together. The first array is the girls list and the second array is the boy list. Now this both the array list will be merged. So go to the file and save this program and open in the browser. So once you open in the browser and see, you will get a new list that is merged together. Merge element, here this is the girls array list and this was the boys array list. Okay, so it become merged together. So that is the use of the concatenate function, concat function. Okay, the next method we are going to use, that is called as the pop method. Okay, it is used to remove the last element from an array. It is used to remove, see, the pop method remove the last element from an array. The last element from an array means here in this array which is the last element is there, that we are going to remove. See the output first and we'll come to know. So now see the last element was BMW, so that is removed and kept only the two car name over here. So for that reason we are going to use the pop function. This pop functions will remove the last element from the array. So you're going to give the list of the array. Once you put the list of the array, the last element what is there in the array list, that will be removed and the remaining list will be printed. So here Saab and Volvo name of the car will be printed and BMW car name will be removed by using the car pop function, pop functions. So document.write pop elements and then the car variable. So you'll come to know that what is removed from the original list. Save this program and open the browser. So once you open in the browser, original list was there of the car name is Saab, Volvo, BMW. In this, the BMW name of the car from the array, that is the last element, that is the last element from the array list will be removed and it is display only the Saab and Volvo name. Means this is the last element from the method. So this method, pop method, removes the last element from an array. Okay, so next, push HTML means push method is used to append a new element to an array. Before that also we have learned which property we learn, the length property. This length property, without using the push method, it was append a new element with the existing array. So this is the another method, push method. This push method appends a new element to an array like a length property only. So new element whatever you are going to add with the existing array list, that will be added by using the push method. Now see, the name of the car is already 3 names are there of the car. Now next fourth name of the car, that is Maruti 800, I am going to add with this list. So that's why I am going to use the car dot push, and then the name of the atom I'm going to write in this, and that will be added in the existing list. So that document dot write original element will be displayed. These are the original, and after adding this element here, it will be printed by using this document dot write. So you will get a output like this: 4 different car names, 1 2 3, 3 already exist in the array, and one more is going to append in that car array list, that is Maruti 800. So save this program, open in the browser and check it. So see, the original one is save Volvo, and then the push element save Volvo BMW Maruti 800. So this is the list, that is the append new element and array. The next one is the copy within .html. Okay, so method copy within this method is used to copy array elements within the array to and from specify position. Copy array elements within the array to and from specify position. So we are going to use this copy element, copy the first 2 array element to the last 2 array elements here. So that's why here I am given copy the first 2 array elements to the last 2 array element. Note is given, the copy within method is not support in Internet Explorer 11 and earlier versions. So that's why I am going to open this program output in the Mozilla Firefox. So script tag, then the variable car, then the name of the cars are given here. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 car names I have given, that become an array list under the car variable, and document dot original car name you are going to find, that is this one. And then I'm going to copy this name from here to here. Okay, so that's why here it is given car copy within 0 to 3. As you know that array list start from the 0, then the next 1, then 2, and then the 3. So here this start and this target name is given, number is given, so it will be copy the car names. Okay, and the output you will get. So let's see what is the output. Save this program and open in the browser. So copy within function will copy the car name and it will be displayed. Now look here, here it is given 0 3, means 0 is the target name and 3. From here this names is copied. See here which name is copied. Here these 3 names. Okay, these 3 name is copied. So what is copied, it is shown here. The same thing is copied over here. So the copy elements are shown from the list, that name of the car, 3 name of the car is copied from the elements. Okay, that is the use of the copy within elements. Okay, copy with method is used to copy array elements within the array to inform a specified position. The next is index of. Next is index of. So index of method is used to display the positions of the element. It is used to display the position of the element. For example, apple, this fruit name position, where it is there in the array list, you are going to find that position will be displayed. For example, variable fruit, the list of the fruit is given, that is called the array. Banana, orange, apple and mango. Apple is of a 3rd number position. So variable a fruit dot index of apple is given here, so this will be written the positions of the apple fruit. Okay, so document dot write here the positions of the elements apple plus the variable here it is because I have stored this fruit dot index of means these positions in the a variable. So the a variable I'm going to print over here, then I'll get the positions of this apple bird. So go to the file, save this program and open in the browser and check the apple position is 2. Okay, the position of the element apple is 2. As you know that the first positions of the element is 0, the second positions of the element start with 1, and the third elements of the position start with the second. So that is the rule of the indexing, and indexing first is 0 banana, orange is 1 and the apple is 2. That's why you got a output number apple position is the 2 number. Okay, so this is the output of the index of position. So index of position display the correct result because that is the indexing. So indexing in the array, the first element item array item will be called 0, then the 1, and then the third one will be called as the second. So that is the indexing of. So next and the last, that is array, is going to find out whether this is the array list or no. It will display the result in the true or false. It will display the result into the true. If it is the array list, then it will display the true result. If it is not, then it will display the false result. Okay, so that's why variable x array dot is array and the fruit. Here this function we are going to use, that is called as the array function or the method is array method. Okay, by using this is array method we are going to find out whether we have created the array list or no. If it is array list, then it will display a true result, otherwise false result. Save this program and open in the browser and check it whether it is correct now. To check it, fruit is an array, yes, true, correct, fruits and is an array list, that's why it is printed true result. So my dear students, I hope that you understood all these method and properties of the array object. So once again I repeat, array object is an object that can store a collections of atoms. In JavaScript, arrays are used to store multiple value in a single variable, and it is used a special variable which can hold more than one value at a time. Arrays become really useful when you need to store large amount of data of the same type. So that is the use of the array. Here we have completed the third lesson of your IT textbooks. We have completed the third lessons of your IT textbooks. So I hope you understood all the object from the JavaScript. I have explained each and everything from your textbooks. Two methods are left, that is called reverse and sort, that you are going to practice. Reverse and sort and the find and for equal. These four methods are left that you are going to practice by typing the JavaScript program and getting the result. So that will be your assignment. Last time also some method I kept and I asked you in the assignment you have to solve and upload it. So I hope you will solve, you understood all these programs. So writing the JavaScript program require practice. Practice is very important. You have to practice all these program and try to get the output. So here in your book also some programs are given by using the program using array object validation program in JavaScript. These two program also you are going to practice at home. Those students don't having the computer at home, they don't have computer at home, they can download and write applications from the Play Store and practice all these JavaScript program and the HTML program. This software, this is very useful software in the mobile. So I don't want your reason that I don't have a computer, how I can practice. You can practice on your smartphone. Now this day you are using the smartphone, that's why you are sitting at home and learning these online classes. So smartphone, in the smartphone you can download and writer, ANWRITER writer, an application from the Play Store, and start using this application for writing HTML program as well as the JavaScript program. This application is very good application we can use to write HTML program as well as the JavaScript program. It display the output at the same time. Once you are written, just click on the preview, you will get a output, and it's very good app in the Play Store. So my dear students, practice is important. Simply don't tell I don't have computer, I don't have the smartphone. Now you can't tell that you don't have smartphone. You are having smartphone, that's why you are learning at home. Okay, so once again I declare this the third lesson from your IT book got over. We have completed altogether 3 lessons.